Okay, we're going to open up the Fiamma Awning on the Birdsville here today. It's a clear day, maybe a little bit of rain, but no winds around, so we're right to put it out. Okay, we grab our winder, which is just in underneath the bed here, hook it in and wind out. When we get to the position where we can actually reach inside here, our legs, we need to bring those down so we have a little bit of support. So just bring those down so they have a rest. And then we can wind it out even further from there. Okay, that's going to suit us today. So we can secure it and peg it into the ground if we wish and change our height with our little winder here, or we can choose to put them into the side of the motorhome here as well. So just pop our bottom foot in first, pop our little cap on, and then we can increase our height there as well. These middle arms will always stay a little bit bent just for a little bit of give if there is a bit of wind. But if the wind picks up, we're just going to put it back away. I'm going to show you how to do that now. Reduce the tension here. Lift up that little cap. Bring this leg back down to 90 degrees, like so. Okay, I'm going to wind it up a little bit further. Okay, just like so. Then these legs are going to go back in. We're going to make sure this flat edge is going to sit on the bottom of the awning base. Tuck our little feet in and push in. Same on the other leg. Flat edge, foot around, push in, and we're right to wind it all the way back in. We want to make sure that we're putting the awning away nice and dry. If it does get wet, we want to put it back out as soon as possible.